Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get the TikTok shop. And here's how it is done. Begin, go to your TikTok app, go to your profile and click the three-line button or settings button. Once open, click the settings and privacy. You will then see a lot of options. Go to account and click switch to business account. Once you reach this page, continuously click next until you reach this page. Choose a category. You can now select what category best describes your account. So for example, arts and crafts, then click next. Here, you can add an email address or you can skip. You can always change it later anyway. Once you see this announcement, congratulations! You can now try a registered business account. Click the X or exit button located in the upper left corner of your screen. Now that you are back to the profile page, click the three-line button or settings button. Then click TikTok Studio. Here you will see a lot of options such as analytics, monetization, more tools, and creation inspirations. Go to monetization and click TikTok Shop for Seller. From here, you will then provide necessary information such as the business type, shop name, product category you sell, type of identification, certificate of registration, additional contact information such as phone number and email address. You will also enter the verification code. Click the I agree to TikTok advertising terms and TikTok payment terms and hit submit. And from there, TikTok will review your submission and update your shop registration status within 48 hours. That is everything you need to know about how to get the TikTok shop. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.